Vandeham Shri Guru.
The following is a lecture given by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 20th of July 1971 in New York, New York.
Srirupam Chakrajatam Om Ajnanatimidandasya Jnananjana Chakshurmilitam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaः. Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Sapadam. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandho Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika